July 1 till now, Ogbonge improvement don dey electricity matter for the country. Minister for Power na im tok dis one. The Federal Executive Council don approve additional 2.7 billion naira to compensate communities wey the Zungeru Power Project dey affect. The Zungeru Power Project na the second largest hydroelectric power project wey Naija go start, and for dis project the federal government don join body with the Chinese government. For the meeting wey shele for Thursday for Government House Abuja, Minister for Power Abubakar Aliyu come assure Naija pipo say the Buhari government dey committed to ensure say dem go increase the power wey go help bring better development come the country, and say dem dey try their best to see say Naija get light.
And the council graciously approved 2,740,000,000 naira for the updated rates of building structures of compensation and resettlement of the communities affected by the construction of Zungeru hydroelectric power project, which will revise the subsisting amount from 19,640,000,000 naira to 22,380,000,000 naira. Since July 1st, we have not gone below 4,000. But we are unable to reach 5,000 because of the gas issue. For instance, we have 4,600 as of yesterday evening. I have not even mentioned the fractions. It could be up to 0.9. I believe you have been noticing some improvement these days. So we have not been sleeping.
Umana Okonumana, wey be the Minister for Niger Delta Affairs, also get approval from the Federal Executive Council for additional money for the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) forensic audit exercise, wey go cover 3,773 more projects. E come assure Naija pipo say when the report for the forensic exercise don get approval from the Executive Council, say pipo wey dey always cause katakata dem go give account, and say dem go create board for the NDDC wey President Buhari don talk make dem do.
You recall that for this exercise, a lead consultant was appointed who had to work with 16 other field auditors. And the initial contract sum, which covered the lead consultants and the field forensic auditors, was 1.786 billion. These auditors had since concluded their work, but in the course of carrying out this work, it was discovered that they had to deal with many more projects than were initially envisaged. So for reasons of the additional number of projects and the additional time taken, Council today approved a revised additional sum of 764,974,975 naira 50 kobo to cover the additional works done by the forensic auditors.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.